You are very good at that. You should do it again.
What I tasted was fantastic.
But is it okay to just use the vanilla out of the Neapolitan
You
ice cream?
did it!
No problem with it, to be honest with you, because in the rules, it's a little or a lot. It's up for interpretation.
On the other hand, Andrew really embraced the three flavors.
The pineapple was the best one with the chocolate.
You did it. Good girl.
Dessert
Clap.
is strong. It's certainly
Okay,
most
Mommy will
good.
clap too.
I thought Andrew was spot on. Everything was seasoned just the way it should be.
I
Yay!
remember his first course being very heavy, but I think Andrew's entree, he treated the crab so well.
But Laura really showed that she was able to compete with things that she was unfamiliar with. The first course, the speck and fontina cheese on top of the bone marrow, I think was spectacular.
And she faltered on the risotto.
Mm-hmm.
Laura really, really struggled with the crab on every level. I think they're pretty even. I think she really dropped the ball on her entree and came back strong on dessert. And his
Bye,
first two
Daddy.
courses were good, and he really dropped the ball on dessert.
I think that my meal was overall a much more well-rounded meal, much better executed. I think I've
You
definitely
gonna
grown.
climb on that chair?
I'm always
You got
competitive,
it.
and I
Go
think that
ahead.
makes me cool. So in order to win this competition, I'm just curious that I can stay focused with a positive attitude.
So, whose dish?
You
Oh,
did
dessert.
it! You did it! Are you gonna sit on your bottom now? Yay!
Andrew, it was so
No, sit on your bottom. We don't
your
stand in our
appetizer was
chair.
airiness, lacking a little bit of balance. Your
Good
entree
girl.
was almost
Say
flawless. And
bye-bye.
then in dessert, you went a little bit more airy-fairy.
Understand.
Bye-bye.
Chip in.